Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my YouTube channel. Let's go. Holy morning drive. Just arrived at my workplace. So let's go get in some work done for the day, man. The day's gonna be over like that, like this. 1, 2, 3. It's currently 1:20 and the day is almost done, so it's time to go and get lunch. Let's go and fuel up. Let's go get lunch. Just chilling and relaxing, man. That was an awesome meal. Now it's time to go back to work. Oh man, it's super hot. Let's go back to work and then I'll see you guys once the day is like overdone. In 1, 2, 3. Guys, so this is me leaving work, and up to this point my life has been, I'll tell you. Yeah, so up to this point my life has been all about waking up, going to work, driving, and going to the car wash and repeating. Yeah, like she said, wake up, go to work, go to the car wash, and repeat. So guys, guess what? We are going to the car wash. Let's go to the car wash, guys. Guys, Brilo car wash Kitangela. My choice car wash. So let's go see what's up, man. Let's go.
Kwa nani hiyo kali inasema ukuje hapa. Tukavurugana na kabila. Baadaye tufungulie compress, naona tu kuna pressure na kasana ndio hapo.